How to find the Caesar Rewards Earn and Redeem page and what it covers. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Caesar's Reward page. There, you can click on Rewards section and go to Earn and Redeem. You'll find all these options for game and you will be able to redeem. And you also find entertainment like hotel dining. Earn 1 reward credit for every $1 spent on participating hotel. Likewise, it's the same in restaurants or shopping outlets. Amenity experience, which is including a day at pool spa treatment and a service. You also find partners of them. Earn more and earn faster simply by doing what you love, by using Visa credit card, Caesar's Rewards Dining, and this is how to find the Caesar Rewards Earn and Redeem page and what it covers. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.